morning, respected Sita ma'am, Ramila ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. We the students of PG2 welcome you all to our special assembly. Yeah, sure. You all will have lots of fun watching our program. Let us begin in few lines of the festival Christmas. Thank you, friends. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. All of the world. Happy Christmas. What is a Christ was born after death? Everyone waits to be for this kid to celebrate with their loved ones. People are drawn to tender. Decorate the Christmas tree and put the gifts and the eat and loved ones. Thank you. People go to church, sing carol, they celebrate the festival with family friends. Thank you, friends. That was super. Now that is all season act one done by me and my friends. Wow, that was lovely. Stand some more fun. We are going to watch a dance performance. Here we go.
Christmas. C is for the candy trimmed around the Christmas tree. H is for the happiness with all the family. R is for the reindeer prancing by the window pane. I is for the icing on the cake as sweet as sugar cane. S is for the stocking on the chimney wall. T is for the toys beneath the tree so tall. M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed. A is for the angels who make up the Christmas list. S is for the Santa who makes every kid his pet. Be good and he'll bring you everything in your Christmas alphabet.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you all for watching our program. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I take this opportunity to thank our principal Sita ma'am, our coordinator Pramila ma'am, and my dear colleagues for all their support. Words are not enough to thank my little ones for the effort they have put in to make this show a grand success. You all did an amazing performance, children. Thank you. And special thanks to all my parents without whom not only the special assembly but the smooth running of the entire academic year would not have been possible. Thank you so much for your patience and continuous support. Hope you all enjoyed our program. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you everyone for joining our program. Thank you so much.